Let's learn to draw the graphs of the quadratic function. Suppose we have y equals x square. The first method which we learn to make the graph of the quadratic function is by making the table. We assume some values of x, and corresponding to those values of x we obtain the values of y. We plot the values of x, we plot the values of y. Suppose x is say -2, then x is -1, 0, 1 and 2. We substitute these values for x, we obtain the corresponding values of y. When we put x equals -2 whole square is 4, x equals -1 whole square is 0, sorry, -1 whole square is 1, then 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. We used to plot these points on the coordinate axis and we used to draw the graph. But still we are unsure about the values of x which we need to take when we plot the graph. That is the reason we feel more comfortable by drawing the graph if we know certain things about the quadratic functions. Like if we have the equation y equals x squared, the first thing which we need is we will find the zeros of the given quadratic function. We will find the vertex, and the third thing is we'll find the y-intercept. So in all we are going to find the three things if we want to plot any quadratic function. We'll find zeros are also called the x-intercept. Okay, now this is the equation given to us, the vertex of the given equation. Vertex is, if I look at this equation, I can also write it in the standard form and I can also express it in the vertex form. So assuming that this is given in the standard form, so this is 1 times x squared plus 0x plus 0. This is the equation now. Vertex is given by minus b by 2a, which in this case equals -0 over 2 times 1, so 0. X coordinate of the vertex, similarly the y coordinate of the vertex, if I substitute x equals 0, so 0, 0 and 0 becomes 0, so y also becomes 0 in that case. So the vertex is given by 0, 0. So 0, 0 is the vertex for my equation. So I can say one of the point is 0, 0. Then the y-intercept. Y-intercept is the constant given in the standard form. So the y-intercept is 0. The value of y is also 0. So 0, 0 is the y-intercept. So this is the y-intercept also. Then we need to find the x-intercept for the given question. X-intercept is obtained by substituting y equals 0. If I substitute y equals 0, my question or the equation gets converted to 0 equals 1 times x squared plus 0x plus 0. So if I want to obtain the value of x, that equals minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, which is again 0 over 2 times a. So in all I have only one x-intercept, that is 0, 0 again. This value is 0, that is the reason we have 0, 0, because the x-intercept is written as a 0. The value of a is 0 here. So we have only one intersecting point. We have x-intercept as 0, 0, y-intercept as 0, 0. So if I look at the graph, and also the value of a is 1, so the graph is going to be open upwards. So this is the shape of the graph corresponding to the given equation. Now let's see one more example to understand the concept more clearly. Suppose we have the equation of the form, say y equals x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square. Now if I look at this question, first we need to plot the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now y equals x minus 2 whole square. If I look at this equation, this is the vertex form plus 0, because there is no term, so 0. In this case, what is the vertex? hk, the value of h is 2, the value of k is 0. So this is the vertex 2, 0. X is 2, 1, 2. Y is 0. So this is the point 2, 0. Then the y-intercept. Y-intercept is obtained by substituting x is 0, and whatever is the coordinate of y. So if I put x equals 0, 0 minus 2 whole square plus 0 equals minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 0 equals 4. So the value of y is 4. So 0, 4 is the y-intercept. Now what is the x-intercept? X-intercept is obtained by putting y equals 0. If I put y equals 0 over here, we have x minus 2 whole square plus 0, that is again 0. So 0 equals x minus 2 whole square. So taking square root both the sides, 0 equals x minus 2. So I can transfer this to the side. So 0 plus 2 equals x, or the value of x is 2. So 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. So this is the y coordinate. This is the x-intercept. This is also, just a moment please. Now vertex is 2, 0. Same is the x-intercept for the given equation. And if I look at the y-intercept is 0, 4. So y-intercept is x is 0, y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one of the point for the given quadratic function. So if we draw the graph, this is the vertex. So the graph has to be symmetric along this line. So and it passes through this. So this is the shape of the given quadratic function. So we can see that as the value of, if I compare the given quadratic function with y equals x squared, instead of x squared we have x minus 2 whole square. So we can just make out that the whole curve is just shifting towards the right if we have x minus 2 instead of x squared. So instead of x squared, as the function changes to x minus 2 whole square, just the graph shifts towards right. The reason is, instead of 0, 0 as the vertex, now the vertex is 2, 0. So the graph is moving towards right. So let's see if it happens. What is the case when x plus 2 equals 0? So it should prove that the vertex in this case is minus 2, 0. So the whole graph should shift towards the left side. Let's prove this. So let's take another example. So we have, say, y equals, instead of x minus 2, now x plus 2 whole square. Okay, now the vertex of the given function plus 0. So vertex implies h, that is, because the standard equation is x minus h whole square plus k. We don't have minus h here, we have plus 2, so it can be written as x minus 2. So vertex is minus 2 and y coordinate is 0, so 0. This is the vertex now. Next we are going to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is obtained by putting x equals 0. So if I put x equals 0, we have 0 plus 2 whole square plus 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4, so y is 0. So y is 4, so our y-intercept is 0, 4. Now the x-intercept. X-intercept is obtained by putting y equals 0. So if I put y equals 0, 0 equals x plus 2 whole square plus 0. Taking the root both the sides, so we have 0 equals x plus 2. I can bring this 2 on this side, so 0 minus 2 equals x. So minus 2 is the value of x. So the y-intercept is minus 2, 0. Okay. Vertex and y-intercept, sorry, x-intercept, both are same. We are going to plot the graph now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. vertex minus 2 0, x is minus 2, y is 0. This is the point of vertex. Then the second point is y-intercept 0 4, x is 0, y is 4, 1 2 3 4 again. Then the x-intercept minus 2 0, x-intercept, this is the point on the x-axis, same as the vertex. So this is the shape of the graph. So we have proved or verified that initially when we had y equals x square, our graph was like this. When we drew y equals x minus 2 whole square, because the vertex became 2 0, our graph shifted towards the right and came out like this. And finally, when we drew the graph for y equals x plus 2 whole square, then the graph shifted towards left. These changes are just because of the changes in the vertex, which were 0 0, 2 0 and minus 2 0 in this case. And this is how we draw the graph for the quadratic function.